Hi, what if there's a kind of energy inside of you that when you access it, it can help reduce stress and improve your focus? Well, guess what? You already have this naturally within you. And the best part is that it's easily accessible. For centuries, both ancient traditions and modern day seekers have been exploring this powerful force. And today, more and more people are realizing how these ancient yet relevant practices can make a real difference in your daily stress management and mental clarity. So let's break down what Kundalini actually is, why it's becoming more popular, and how it might help you feel more centered and clear-headed. Kundalini is often described as a form of life energy that rests at the base of the spine. Think of it like a coiled spring of potential within you. In yogic philosophy, when this energy awakens or begins to flow, it rises up through all the energy centers that are located along your spine, which is a superhighway of energy in your body. That might sound mystical, but really in practical and simple terms, Kundalini is a way of describing the inner energy and awareness we all naturally by design have and contain. When you learn to connect and use this energy intentionally, you tap into more clarity, calm, and vitality. We live in a world that's always on. Constant notifications, endless to-do lists, non-stop stress, keeping lots of browser tabs open in your mind, which is wearing energetically, physically, and mentally. Kundalini holds specific sequences of yogic practices, which I like to refer to as a technology, like breathing exercises, very gentle movement, sometimes angular, sometimes circular, sometimes up and down, meditation, chanting are all effective tools that are designed to help you to reset your nervous system quickly with long-term benefits. Modern science is even catching up to this. Studies show that breath work and meditation can reduce cortisol, like immediately, which is the stress hormone, increase your focus by stimulating your pituitary and pineal glands, and improve emotional balance through nervous system regulation and balance. That's exactly why Kundalini is gaining popularity, not just among spiritual seekers, but also with professionals, athletes, and everyday people who want to feel better in their bodies and mind quickly, immediately, effectively. This also translates to more energy, which equals more options. If you're brand new, don't worry. You don't need chase after that mystical experience, or even a big mystical experience. For beginners, Kundalini yoga can feel as simple as just a sense of calm after just a few minutes of the unique breathing practices, feeling lighter or clearer in your head, especially your thought, or simply noticing that stress doesn't grip you as tightly as before. You feel centered, calm, more relaxed. Over time, these small shifts start to add up, and that's when people start noticing deeper benefits like improved creativity, emotional resilience, and stamina, and even a greater sense of connection to themselves, authentically and otherwise. So how can you begin? Well, let's start small. Try a few minutes of conscious breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through the mouth, and then inhale fully through your mouth and exhale deeply through your nose. Let's try this right now together. So you would simply continue that practice, which is so simple yet very effective to regulate your nervous system, calm your mind, relax your body, and put you literally more in a sense of feeling state of your body and your surrounding. 3 minutes or less, that's all it takes. And then you just sit quietly for a few more seconds with your spine straight, because when you sit with your spine straight, your chest gently lifted, your head naturally balanced, this posture naturally supports this flow of energy. So So I invite you to explore guided practices by tapping into my Kundalini YouTube channel, the Kundalini Sanctuary on YouTube. It's free to subscribe, and I have a wealth of information right there at your fingertip 24/7. But the key to all of this, my friends, is consistency. 5 minutes or even less, but consistency, 5 minutes to 10 minutes a day, can begin to awaken this energy and help you feel more grounded and centered. Remember, it's a technology, so it's a very specific formula of how we go step by step to awaken the Kundalini, activate all the pranic energy in the body, stabilize physical and mental activities, and regulate your nervous system. Want to reduce stress and feel more alive? Well, subscribe and start your journey now. Sat Nam.